It's time to say goodbye to our little 70s homestay. Wow. Quick bit of washing up and yeah, and then catching the train in, well, probably in about 15 minutes really, so we'd probably better get a move on.
Yes, soon.
It's just one quick check round and then we're off. But I am going to miss that view.
I just missed that. Joe's had to carry that down 3 flights of stairs.
We're just saying, oh, it's lovely, we'll come back. Not with this suitcase for now.
Yeah, not over as much stuff. Typical, the skies are lovely and clear today, but we are hopefully doing a hike in Kandersteg, so as long as it's like this over there, that'll also be incredible. But we will 110% come back there again, maybe when it's winter time here. It's just a really nice little apartment and 60-something pound a night each. I really don't think it's that bad for Switzerland, to be honest. So yeah, bye bye Randa, hello Kandersteg. So we are on our 3rd train to Kandersteg. Hopefully we're going to get there by about 12:30 and we're going to go straight on the cable car and go for a walk. Yeah, this journey again completely covered by the Swiss travel pass. Just the first train alone would have been about 50 quid, so I bet this journey would have been easily over £100, and we only paid £300 each for a 10-day Swiss pass. So yes, I'll stress it again, definitely get a Swiss travel pass. Saves so much money. Possibly the cable car we're going to get later will have discounts on it as well.
Most likely, all of the other cable cars we've seen have.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll see when we get to Kandersteg. The trains are also very nice as well. And always on time and just dead easy to understand, so yeah, that's always a bonus when you're travelling. That's so cute. Kandersteg. Absolutely beautiful. Horses. So as we're going on to a hike now, we haven't really got time to make sandwiches. So we went to buy some sandwiches. We thought we were in the 5 franc section. Apparently it wasn't. 2 sandwiches just cost us £15. So it was just like little sandwiches from the supermarket. Quick turn around, we were able to check straight in. And now we are off to the cable car. It's 1:30. The last cable car is at 5 coming back. So we're probably going to have to walk back, but
We are going to have to walk back.
we'll see. That's the cable car over there. Probably can't see that.
No.
Hopefully some of these clouds will disperse because there's some lovely mountains behind there.
Yeah.
We'll see. It's the 1st of June now, so come on clouds. Not in winter no more.
So, £15 return ticket with the Swiss pass.
Well, it's a bit less actually. It's come out at £26.
Yeah, it was.
Return between us. It would have been double that.
Yeah.
Swiss pass.
Because that's 15 francs.
You can walk there from here. It's about an hour and a half, I believe. We were going to walk back, but we thought we'll just buy a return ticket anyway, just in case.
Well, we might have to walk back anyway, because we might miss the last gondola.
Yeah, we'll see. But if not, we just wanted to get there to see this lake basically, and to walk there now would have meant it just would have got too late. That's what happens when you try and cram everything in one go.
Yeah.
But we've got loads of chance. Well, we've done lots of walking already.
Yeah.
Even if it's not hiking, you're still walking loads. But yeah, it feels weird to be sat on one of these not
Not with ski stuff. We just put their boots all in this.
Oh yeah.
Who needs a drone?
You got the drone?
Yeah. I'll fly out the window.
I think you just followed this round.
Mm-hmm. Just hoping that these clouds disappear off the peaks.
But honestly, if not, I'm just grateful it's not a really low cloud.
Yeah. I can't stop looking at all the weird lines that's formed in the rocks. Crazy. There it is. It's longer than 15-minute walk anyway. We're going to find somewhere to set up and then might just send the drone up because this looks amazing around here. There's loads of little campfire spots to cook your food on, which is really cute.
And toilets, portable toilet
yeah.
things. Just seen a really cute bird of prey. Josh has got some good footage of it, so I'm sure you will see it in this video.
I think it's a kite, but I've not had a look properly. But it looks like a
But
kite.
this is such an amazing spot. It literally feels like Canada or something like that. It's just incredible. There's lots of wildlife everywhere, and I would say it's quite accessible for everyone as well, whether you're old or young. There's loads of people with kids here, because you can get the cable car up, and then even if you didn't want to do that walk that we did, you can actually get a bus down as well. So even if you can't walk that well, or you're struggling with mobility, it's still accessible for everyone.
Yeah, the shuttle bus looks nice.
And there's paths everywhere. Yeah, shuttle bus does look nice. But
we're
yeah,
not taking it there, we're walking.
No.
There is a big queue for it as well.
Yeah, but with the cable car and the bus, it makes beautiful spots like this accessible for everyone, which is amazing, really. Because not all the time
And there's
people...
a nice little cafe and restaurant.
And there's a nice cafe. In fact, there's a couple of cafes and restaurants. Not all the time can people with mobility issues actually get to see stuff like this, because usually you have to hike for like hours and hours. But they've made this really accessible for everyone, which is great.
Sketchy trail. I feel like this is going to fall apart. Some little deer trail through the woods. I feel like I'm in Skyrim. What she's not telling you is I just had to do that walk 3 times.
Look, when you see a good spot, it's got to be for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. You've got to go back and forth. We are actually having a hike. We just happen to stop every 2 seconds to film how beautiful it is.
Yeah, but we have to walk everywhere 3 times, so it makes up for it.
Right, you're somewhere beautiful if you've got to redo the same shot 3 times. If it's just if you don't even have to do a shot, then yeah, you're not somewhere beautiful. But look at that. That is just absolutely incredible.
Go for an ice skate. Bins everywhere.
It even tells you how full the bin is.
Mr. Phil.
What the hell?
And this is where you can buy your extortionate beer.
Or a hot dog for, I think it was like 6 francs, which to be fair,
That's not too bad.
isn't too bad. We paid over 7 francs for that bloody sandwich just a minute ago.
Yeah. Never underestimate the walk back up.
Thank God it's no warmer.
Yeah.
Thank God the sun's not out, because
It's not too bad, to be honest, it's just we're tired already.
it's one of them ones that's just like a steady incline. So
Yeah.
it's just like there's no breaks, it's just constant.
And here's your ski slope. Do you fancy some skiing? Might have to wait a bit though, actually.
Yeah, I have to wait a few months.
Hey, would you look at that? We beat the train up anyway, so we'd get here at the same time. That'll be a lot of waiting. In fact, I reckon we'd get here after that because we'd probably still be waiting in the queue.
What a view.
Yeah. Here's our little room. Excuse the equipment on the bed.
27.
But, yet again, I don't think you can really have a bad view in Switzerland, really.
No.
I think majority of the rooms have probably got a decent view.
Whenever we go anywhere, I'm like, this is another nice little city. I mean, a nice little town. This is a nice little town. This is a nice little town.
Yeah.
So this room costs £43.50 each, and we're here for one night. And it includes breakfast in the morning, so we will definitely be filling ourselves up in the morning.
Yes, we will be stuffing our pockets and taking more out.
But it's a nice little room for that price, so yeah, not gonna grumble with that.
Yes, we are too stingy to buy a bag, so we're laden out.
Went to the co-op just before it closed, got half-price sandwiches, half-price crisps, and everything we've just brought now, including yogurts and a dip and cheese and all sorts, came to less than what our 2 sandwiches came to
Came
earlier.
to about £14 and our sandwiches came to 15. 2 sandwiches came to 15 and 2 sandwiches and everything else came to 14.
So there's your tip for coming to Switzerland.
Don't
Go to
eat.
Well, yeah, go to the co-op just before closing.
No, just don't eat. Yeah, we thought, oh, we'll just get a little pot noodle. We won't have much. It's about £5 for a pot noodle. Well, equivalent.
Yeah. I have brought food from the UK.
Yeah.
But where we're staying tonight doesn't have a kitchen or anything, so had to rough it with sandwiches and crisps.
Yeah. And what, down the road you can buy a schnitzel for about £35.
Yeah.
I think we'll be alright with our sandwiches. We'll manage.
I think that's alright.